Okay, so now we're going to do some more advanced editing. I've made a couple copies of the same clip so that we can see what different techniques look like on the same clip. I'm going to leave this first one in its original form. I'm going to choose the second one to manipulate. So I'm going to go here and go to Clip Adjustments. And now we're going to look at these video effects we can put on the clip. There's a lot of different ones. We've got film grain, aged film, a glow, a dream effect. Okay, for our purposes, let's choose this cartoon. So I click cartoon, and now if I roll over the clip, I'll be able to see this is a clip I'm working with. It's highlighted in yellow, and now it's in cartoon mode. Same thing goes for audio effects. There's a couple different audio effects you can put on there. So you can put an echo or pitch down. So let's put cosmic on there. And that's all we're going to manipulate on this clip. So I'll click done. Now I'm going to highlight the next clip. Again, I'm going to go to the blue icon, Clip Adjustments, and let's try a different video effect on this one. Let's do X-ray. I choose X-ray, and then a different audio effect. Let's do pitch down. Pitch down a 3. Okay, that's all I want to do on this clip. So I select done. Okay. On my next clip, I want to mess with the speed. So again, I go Clip Adjustments, and here we see speed. And I'm going to take the speed up to 200%. So I type in 200%, and I say done. Okay, moving on to the next clip. I've highlighted this next one here. Again, the blue icon. And now instead of clip adjustments, we're going to go into video adjustments. Now, those of you that have done some photography are going to be familiar with these words, but you can manipulate the exposure, brightness, contrast, and saturation of your clip. So, by taking the exposure up, you can see it gets brighter, down, gets darker. Same thing goes for brightness. Contrast, it's going to give you a faded look here, a sharper look here. Saturation is going to, again, give you a faded look, but this time with your colors. So you can take that all the way up. And then white point. Now if you have a clip that looks, maybe it looks kind of pinky, the light in the room was pink or yellow or something like that, you can click on something in the clip that would have been a true white or close to a true white, like this sidewalk here, I could click on that, or this little guy back here, I could click on that, and that will take out the pinkiness or whatever color, the yellowness that was in the light. If I click on something that's not actually a true white, you can see it will adjust the image. It'll really manipulate it. So click on that white, and it will make your shot look true, make the colors look true. So in this one, we're just going to have the saturation all the way up. That's what we're going to do. We want a really saturated, colorful shot. And I say done. Okay. In this next one, what we're going to do, instead of highlighting this whole thing, I want to just highlight a portion of it. Let's see. So I'm watching it, and then there's this portion where he jumps. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, so I highlight that portion. And I just want to create a little rewind section there for funnies. So I go up to Clip, and I go Rewind. And so that's going to create a little rewind on that. I'll show you that here in the viewfinder. And go. So that was fun. And then, let's see, on our next clip, I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to go clip. This is kind of a fun one. Special effect, flash and hold last frame. Okay, so that's going to look like this. So he's going and then, whoo. So it kind of takes a picture of your last frame and then it'll do a Ken Burns effect on it. Okay, in this last clip here, I want to do an instant replay. I could use this whole clip, or again, I could choose a section to do the instant replay. So I'm going to do the section where he jumps, like that. I've chosen it. It's in the yellow here. And I'm going to go clip, instant replay at 50%. It creates this instant replay, and it'll even put up a little graphic at the corner of the screen that says instant replay. Mine's kind of messed up. It says instant replay. I hate that, so I'm going to take it off. All I have to do is highlight that little yellow box there and click delete, and that'll go away, but it'll keep the actual instant replay. So now we can watch all of these in order and see all the different manipulations. So again, I'm going to click this play, and it'll play the full project in the full screen. So first we have our normal clip. Here's the cartoon. Here's X-ray. Here's speed 200. Here's saturated. Here's a clip with the rewind section. Oh, there it goes. Here's flash and hold last frame. So I'm going to take that picture in Ken Burns. And then here's our clip with the instant replay. Okay, so that was a tutorial on a couple of different manipulations you can do, some more advanced editing in iMovie.